Hey guys, what is up? Right, so for the last year I've been, up here in Bangor University, and I thought I'd give you a tour of my room. So, this is accommodation in Friddoedd. This particular block of halls is called Entley. Good luck pronouncing that when you get here, if you get here. Right, so, nice little hook on the door. The rooms in this hall use a key card to get in, so don't lose that and don't lock it inside your room like I've done. So this is my room. Most of the rooms in this block of flats are en suite, so you get a nice sized bathroom. With the shower. It's not the biggest shower ever. Yeah, good luck trying to get the shower curtain to not stick to you. But it's a nice bathroom, plenty of space. My desk's a little messy at the moment because I'm packing up to go home. I've been here a full year now. So you get given calendars when you move in here for events. Another big calendar you get given. Brought my own calendar because why not? Just ending May now with a beautiful Norton BSA. There you go. Nice area for a bookshelf. Some interesting books, as you can see. Bits and bobs and things. From a previous video there. One of the things when booking accommodation, if you book on the facing the west side, so facing the Menai Strait basically, which is over there on the other, this will be your view essentially, which is mainly just trees, and you don't really get to see the Menai Strait. If you book facing east, I guess, which is facing that way, then you get a view of the mountains. So it's worth bearing in mind. Completed my first year, and it's been different. I was expecting to make more videos about my time here, but honestly it's been very strange. Beds, yeah, they seem slightly smaller than a single to me. They are a single though. It's kind of strange. You get underbed storage that goes. There's a lot of storage actually. Most people keep their shoes there. I've got mine over there. Most people don't have this either. This is just a crate with a bunch of clothes in it. Wardrobe storage as well. Again, really good size. Plenty of space to keep everything. On top of the wardrobe, you get plenty of drawers as well. And on top of there, you've got a bunch of storage as well. Got my cool little windowsill shelf here. Got some food dogs on my bonsai. He's called Groot. And yeah, a surprisingly nice day out there in North Wales. Do not expect this if you come here every day. Bear in mind, most of the term is through the winter, so yeah, not quite as fun as this. So yeah, this is my room. I'll give you a quick look at the kitchens. I think the next video I'm going to do is going to be a bit about my experience as a first year at this particular university, and kind of how it differed from what I expected, and why I stopped making videos and stuff. So yeah, quick look at the kitchen. Don't forget your key cards. Lights are automatic. Which is really useful. So this is one of the kitchens. In ours it's one fridge, one freezer. Some of them have two fridge freezer combos that are split half and half, so everyone else has moved out now. I am literally the last person left. Two sinks. Most people get a cupboard each, kind of thing, and if you're lucky you'll get a shelf each in the fridge, but that is quite lucky. Usually it's more like half a shelf. Two hobs, or two cookers I mean, only one oven and grill. Yeah, 4 hobs on top of it, 4 hobs over here as well, toaster, microwave and kettle over there, all the cleaning stuff for cleaning your rooms, and an ironing board, which I wasn't expecting when I came here, notice board, and a view outside of beautiful North Wales in the summer. Oh, also, that building there is the gym. And when you live on Friddoedd site, you get a free membership there. It's actually got a full Olympic weightlifting section, and it's an absolutely amazing gym. Right, so that's been a little tour of entry halls on Bangor University on Friddoedd site. Hope you enjoyed it. It was just a quick look round. Yeah. Stay frosty.